KRFT is great for writing songs, but you can also build some interesting tools and instruments. In this video, we're going to look at a hip-hop drum machine I've made. I'm using Ableton with MIDI input in this video, but you can get the same effects using the internal audio engine. If you'd like to download the Ableton project, I've put a link in the description. I've also shared this surface on the KRFT network so you can download it and get playing straight away. First, I'm going to show you what sort of thing you can do with the surface, and then we'll look at how I put it together. The setup is fairly straightforward. I have two loops at the top that provide a backbeat and the bass. The rest of the cells are drum fills with a few bass and pitch morphs thrown in. First, let's look at the hi-hats. They're pretty simple, just 4 fills with different rhythms. If I go into the matrix, you can see the score laid out. These rhythms can be made as complex or as simple as you like. This customizability is one reason KRFT is so powerful. They're also either syncs 1/16 or 1/8, so when I play them, they'll all stay in time. Useful for adding expression without worrying about timing. On the left, I have the same fills, but they play a snare. If I combine these fills with pitch morphs, you'll get that classic pitched snare roll heard in a lot of trap and modern hip-hop. They also control the pitch of these other two sounds. These are lots of fun to play and add a lot of variety to your beat. The last two cells are these overlaid in the center. They are simply just a kick and a bass note on top of each other. If you want to mix it up, you can turn off the backbeat and play the kick and bass live. It's a bit harder, but you can get some more varied kick patterns. KRFT can make some really useful tools for the studio. I can now use this surface with different drum kits to make a variety of beats, and I could switch it up for other genres. Of course, there are many ways to play in drum beats, but it's hard to beat the expression and fluidity of KRFT's interface. That's it for this video. Make sure you check out our other videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching.